Over the last several decades, computer power has been increasing exponentially in terms of both storage capacity and transistor size. However, this progress has been based on manufacturing methods that may be reaching the limits of their utility. As the scale of these devices becomes ever smaller, the tools we use to create them must also evolve. Recent worry over the end to Moore's Law has generated interest in developing new ways to create very small structures and devices for computing applications. Current technology relies on costly etching techniques in order to create the fine detail necessary for modern electronics. In an attempt to both increase the power and decrease the cost of computers, we propose a new method of device assembly which relies on self-assembly to order small DNA molecules into useful arrangements. Out of a wide variety of different molecules with useful electronic properties, DNA is notable in its combination of electron transport properties, functionalization potential, and the sequence specificity. Coupled with inexpensive production costs, these traits seem to indicate DNA's unusual potential for application in molecular electronic systems. Our plan is to demonstrate the potential for DNA in molecular computing by creating a simple memory device which uses DNA molecules as the storage medium. In order to make the device as simple as possible, an intact strand will be a positive signal, and a broken strand will be a negative signal. Since oligonucleotides can carry electrical current, but broken oligonucleotides cannot, we propose that such a molecular memory device could be created by using oligonucleotides to transmit and prevent transmission of electrical signal, and thus serve as binary information storage. The first steps of creating such a device include determining a simple, solution-free mechanism for oligodegradation, and demonstrating that this mechanism is effective on multiple surfaces. For our BioMod project, we studied how to induce oligo breakage in a solution-free environment. We observed that while purely DNA oligonucleotides and purely RNA oligonucleotides remain intact in hot human environments, chimeric oligonucleotides, which contain both DNA and RNA residues on the same single strand, are susceptible to degradation. We demonstrated that this degradation will occur in hot human environments on multiple material surfaces. The ability to induce selective oligonucleotide degradation demonstrates the potential of chimeric oligos for molecular computing applications.